half double crochets in the third loop only will produce this beautiful and lovely texture that appears like a knit look. And we're doing this with crochet, which is a pretty awesome stitch to try out, and it can be done in the round. So if you'd like to follow the pattern for my pot holder here, feel free to. And let me go ahead and demonstrate how working in the third loop would look like. Normally we crochet into the underneath the V here, both of these loops. That includes the front and the back loop. That would be a typical stitch. Now instead of going into those two loops for your stitch, you're going to look in the back of your stitch, and here behind that V is what we call the third loop, sitting right behind. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into that third loop, and what that does is that it'll push my third loop, or my V shape, excuse me, out to the front, and that creates a knit look. So here I'm going to go into that third loop in the back, finish my half double crochet. Don't go into both loops, go into that third loop in the back and finish off your half double. And working this all the way around will create a very nice soft and also stretchy sort of fabric. You'll see that I can pull on it a bit and stretch it this way as well, even though it is crocheted with 100% cotton yarn in this project. So it makes quite a lovely headband, and apparently a pot holder as well, and scarf and other projects that you can think of where you would want to crochet in the round. Alright, hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy crocheting!